Using the writer in Welford chart notes. Today we will see some tips on using the writer in Welford chart notes. This includes opening the writer, document types, specifying the patient, auto open windows, templates, template word lists, parsing, other methods of text entry, and the spelling checker. Part 1. Opening the writer. The writer is a full-featured word processor which you use to create notes, correspondence, and other documents. It uses the Welford chart notes parsing engine to interpret your note as you write it and automatically update relevant sections of the patient's chart. You can open the writer by clicking on the Write New Note toolbar button, or press Write New Note from the main menu. If you are using alterable notes, you also have the choice of modifying an existing note. To make notes unalterable, choose this option in Security Options. We recommend you do this for medical legal reasons. Part 2. Document Types. After pressing Write New Note, choose the document type for this document. You can create your own document types by choosing Document Type from the menu. Designating a document type lets you choose relevant templates, print settings groups, and filter your visits while viewing them. Part 3. Specifying the patient and visit date. After choosing the document type, specify the name of the patient whose document you are editing. Specify the date when the visit took place. The program defaults to today's date. The writer and its associated windows now open. Part 4. Writer Auto Open Windows. You can choose which windows open along with the writer by clicking the Auto Open Options button in your writer options. Check the names of any of the windows on this screen that you wish to automatically open. You can also automatically open any of the program expanders as windows, even the ones you have created yourself. You can change the size and position of any of the windows using your mouse, thus customizing the screen appearance of the chart to your personal needs. Part 5. Templates. Templates are bodies of text which can serve as the basic structure of your notes. They can include pick lists, called word lists, and images. They can call other templates at any location, either all the time or based on a particular patient's attributes, such as medications, diagnoses, test results, demographics, etc. The program can merge multiple templates automatically, removing redundant text. The program comes with a library of templates which you can edit, and you can create your own as well. You can share your templates with other users or make them private to yourself. Templates can be automatically imported into your note based on the chief complaint that you specify. After typing in the chief complaint of sore throat, the program automatically looks up and inserts the relevant template. Part 6. Template Word Lists. It fills in the default answers for each word list. From here you can type directly into the document, for example changing 3 days to 5 days, or you can click on any word list text to open that word list and make different choices. Template word lists are lists of words and phrases that you can insert into your document. Each word list can call other word lists, creating very elegant structures. You can choose one or multiple items from the word list using your mouse and can type additional text in the pane at the bottom. You can edit a word list on the fly, adding new elements to it at any time. The program comes with a large library of these word lists, and you can create as many more as you need. Here we choose hoarseness and right-click to simultaneously close the word list. The little circles are non-printing markers. Press F9 to jump to each one and fill in the next item. We click on the word lists we wish to change to complete the document. Part 7. Parsing. Note that the Parser Quick Summary has already offered to add a diagnosis of sore throat, shown us 3 algorithms about sore throat that we might use, and offers to print a brochure about sore throat. You can store the note using a toolbar button by right-clicking inside the writer and choosing Store, or by pressing F10, which we will do now. When you store the note, this triggers the parser to analyze the text of your note. Note that it has offered to add the penicillin to the medication list. It warns you about 2 alerts between penicillin and the patient's diagnoses, and it offers to print a drug brochure and a prescription about penicillin. Each user can individualize which items of information the parser looks for, which ones are checked on this list by default, and the color of each type of parsed item. After unchecking those items we don't wish to use, press Do All to accomplish all of the checked tasks with a single mouse click. Specify the type of visit and CPT code. You can optionally record the next appointment for the patient. And then generate a visit summary for the patient, customized with your own instructions. Part 8. Other methods to enter text. We have seen how to enter text using templates and word lists. Let's see some other methods that you can use. We will use a simple SOAP template for this example. You can use contractions to quickly enter text. For example, here we type PT and it is replaced with patient, CO is replaced with complains of, and ST is replaced with sore throat. A contraction can stand for a word, phrase, paragraph, or an entire file of text. The program comes with a library of contractions, and you can add as many as you wish and share them with other users. You can also use Dragon Naturally Speaking to dictate directly into Welford chart notes. Cap, the patient has had a severe sore throat which started a week ago, period. She had a fever of 101.5 yesterday, period. She denies cough, rhinorrhea, otalgia, adenopathy, and hoarseness, period. You can use expanders to bring patient-specific information into your note. For example, type @history to bring in the entire history. @functions are also replaced with patient-specific data. For example, type @last mammogram to see the results of the last mammogram. You can type @functions directly into your note or template, or choose Libraries @functions to choose one from the list. Part 9. Spelling Checker. Welford Chart Notes comes with a complete medical and general spelling checker of over 130,000 words, updated quarterly, to which you can add 65,000 more. It can check your spelling as you type, beeping and showing misspellings in red. Press Alt-S or right-click your mouse and choose Spelling to open the spelling menu. Select the correct spelling from the list. These are just a few of the tips on how to use the writer in Welford Chart Notes. For more information, visit us at emirj.com.